very tiring. Madame Tussauds. Okay, welcome to Madame Tussauds Singapore. We'll do some minor hike or walk up the stairs going here. Whew.
So I'll explain you a journey right now. Okay, so you start your journey with the ultimate film star experience to the left first, alright, followed by the images of Singapore just to the right. Okay, so after that everything will be all one way inside one building. Alright, so you don't come back over here.
So going here, outside here also.
Move to the left first, and then after that when you come out, just go to the right. Okay, that's the right side, and then after that once you're done with the images of Singapore, which is 2 level, go down the stairs for the boat ride. Okay, after the boat ride, and then it will be the Madame Tussauds Wax Museum itself, and the last one will be the Marvel 4D show. Okay, so over at Marvel 4D, you need to show you your tickets again for them to scan. Okay, only at the Marvel 4D show. Yeah, alright. And this is DG Pass. It's a photo pass. Use it after the boat ride at the green screen for you to take photo. Just scan the barcode one time to take 1 photo. You can do this as many times as possible. Okay. To save the photo, right, there's behind it there's a QR code. Just use your phone and scan.
Film star experience.
Film star experience. Ay, sarap lang yun.
Sanitize your hands. Sanitize. You sanitize your hands. You.
In the 1930s,
Ride. Some of the tourist attractions you can see here in Singapore. Formula 1 racing. NBS. That's the boat ride, some of the things you need to see when you go here in Singapore.
Video. 5 o'clock here. Peace.
Okay, so this is your Madame Tussauds experience here in Sentosa, Singapore.
How can you rate it? Like, can we
So it's not really all just
wax?
figures of famous persons. They also have an attraction there. It's a boat ride about the history, sightseeing, the sights that you will see here in Singapore. Also, there's a 4D experience.
Marvel 4D experience.
The Marble 4D experience with some spraying water. And that's it.
That's it actually.
Actually, the artists here or the sculptors are very good. It takes time to make that one.
I think it's worth it because we got the tickets from Klook. But if you book directly, like the price is a bit expensive. So
And we got a picture of Queen
and it's
Elizabeth.
not worth it. But yeah, I wish there were more waxes that we know because there are a lot of
There's no
Bollywood.
Manny Pacquiao is not here.
There's a lot of Bollywood people. We really
More of
don't know.
India.
Yep.
Now we're going back. So a lot of construction going on this area. Tomorrow we'll go to the next day we go to the Universal Studios. Okay, so from the Imbah station, this is the Imbah lookout. You'll see a lot of construction going on. A lot of things are going on around here in Singapore. You need to walk going up the helix, so when we come back there, we need to walk, we need to take a rest. We're going back to the station somewhere out there. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.